Dr. Sampurnansa Stadium, Varanasi, welcomes you to a complex that provides facilities and amenities of leading global standards for excellence through a landmark gate which is inspired by the Sports Authority of India logo. Upon entry to the site, the first building is a multi-storied sports community block with its dedicated parking area right at the entry. This building comprises of various indoor sports activities like a gymnasium, swimming pool, multi-purpose sports hall, amongst others. The interiors and bleachers of the swimming pool area are conceptualized after the ghats along the river Ganges. Similar architectural vocabulary and elements like chhatris and jalis have also been incorporated. Transparent materials have primarily been used in the exterior facade and the roof in order to visually connect the indoor to the outdoor space. On one corner of the site is a hostel block which accommodates all the athletes that use this facility for training purposes. Colorful mosaic murals are installed on the ground floor which contrasts sharply with the light colors of the building and the beige colored GRC jali panels. A well-lit gymnasium and mess area is also designed to cater to them. The central courtyard induces cross-ventilation and facilitates public gathering, participation, and social interaction between the users. The next facility in the complex is a sports training and practice center which caters to the national training camps. For the facade, sustainable materials like steel frames have been used along with structural glazing. As we enter, a reception along with a spacious waiting area has been designed for the users. A 40-bay shooting range is also designed to draw gun enthusiasts from across the country who are eager to put their shooting skills to the test. The space has been designed keeping in mind public safety and incorporating colors like green and blue for the interior elements. The sports hall on the first floor houses a well-lit and spacious boxing arena for the athletes. The existing field has been redesigned to have 5 tennis play courts which are adjacent to the cricket field. In close vicinity to the courts is the open-air gymnasium to be used by the athletes whenever they wish to. As this site is envisioned to cater to all age groups, a separate zone is segregated for the kids and the elderly. This zone is also inspired by the visual vocabulary of the ghats of Varanasi. Stepped platforms and podiums with shading devices designed for various indigenous sports like Kho-Kho and Kabaddi have also been incorporated in this area. As yoga is gradually playing an essential role in the everyday life of many people, a major portion of the zone is segregated for it. This zone can also be used for public gatherings for any major events. In order to widen the scope of sports, the complex also accommodates a football field with spectator bleachers that are naturally shaded with a canopy of trees. An athletic track, which has been located near the hostel block for easier access to the athletes, surrounds the football field.